kusho ukuthi the if uma sikompare ne ilokhuza the difference between previously my first sentence yami bese ngisho ukuthi it was a common occurrence ukuthi iboshwa zigawuzana zodwa webha umuntu sisiboshwa kwathi sisiboshwa vice versa but ngithema ngibuya for the second time ejele ngithola ukuthi manje kune pattern entsha eyenzekayo. Now number one, the most of people today who are gang members emajele are young people, whereas in previous years ukuthi abantu abadala babesebenza insizwa yengabantu abadala in my age, because not everybody could have been a prison gang that time because of the conditions. I think ne baba beyisetile ukuthi for you to qualify as insizwa mabe umuntu onjani. But today anybody can just be a gang member. Anyway, when I look at this at a distance, that have made, of course, today stepping of correctional officials becoming known. Because previously it was used as a mechanism of saying that then after all the avenues have been exhausted, then that decision has been taken. Not everybody could have been able to step a member. But today, anybody can just stand up as a member. And that's a concern. If my mind can recall me correctly, around about 2011, members. Mr. Ukwete, and it didn't stop till today. If my mind can serve me correctly, I'm subject to corrections, but the plus minus 50 members who have been stepped. Plus minus 50 members. And you ask yourself a question. Ma ugwetshwa a court, we are jail. We have been told that we are there to be corrected. And the difference of what makes it different between the official and the offender is the uniform. Same place school teacher will wear a private clothes. Then the school will wear a prescribed uniform in school, so that we can distinguish who to learn teacher, learn the school. Now, when you go to a jail, there are two uniforms that go in a jail. It's a brown uniform and an orange uniform. And it is supposed to be that don't uniform orange. For suppose ba umamela uniform brown, right? Uniform orange uze jail pose of full season is there for help. As I said that we need to correct offending behavior. Now I take to brown, one as a parent, brown as a sister, brown as a brother. And when usajele committed a crime, also correct your offending behavior. Uzmo fike jele uphinde wena ube involved stepping members. It shows the level of the problem that South Africa is facing today. And I always say, mina, jele is a true reflection of the kind of society that we have than our part. Because abantu today manje mentality yokuthi the only way of solving problem is through violence. And I will always reflect back to apartheid because of we were subjected and installed in the Guti for us to get liberation. We need to use violence to get Inguleko. But indeed, today we are free as a country. We've got democracy, we've got principles, we've got laws that governs equal services. I can even be able to talk with the area commissioner if needs be. He or she will come to me and take a complaint now to relevant person. But ukuthi manje a level of violence in prisons a reflector the kind of society that we have la ngaphandle, because the violence that is there is being perpetrated by young people. Now mawuzo phakama ube nesibindi uthatha imeso ukwaze an official it's a concern, and it shows ukuthi the level of ungakhathali to a particular person, because to have this being in the guards, because remember umuntu is the last line of changing the behavior, because umuntu, I always say there are 4 phases of life that build and mold the person. One is a family, whereby you are being ufundiswa ukuhlonipha ukuthi mawumntana uhlonipha abadala uhlonipha umphakathi. Then from home you go uhambe esikolweni where you spend almost 8 hours of a day ufundiswa ukuhlonipha abazali, but at the same time unikwa knowledge and understanding of life. And then there's the third sphere of molding a person's life, it is the church, where you are being built spiritually and otherwise. And the fourth sphere of building a person is the community, whereby sithi umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. Otherwise, ufundiswa the interpersonal relation skills of how to relate to the entire community. And when you fail these 4 spheres of life, the only place that you can get to you is prison. With the hope that uya ejele, you can be able to turn back and come back to society. Hence in the term of reintegration, ukuthi umuntu maziphethe kahle uyakwazi ubuya abe reintegrated to the community. And mawuzofika ejele while you have a problem and continue doing the very same thing as kubangela ukuthi ube sejele, that really shows the level of the problem that we have. That really shows the level of a lack of regard of ubumbabantu. Because remember, these people are there to render a service. Yes, of course, not all of them are perfect, not all of them are good, but that doesn't give anybody the right to stand up and step up. Remember, laba abafazi babantu, obaba babantu, omama babantu, osisi babantu, obhuti babantu. And when you stand up as a gang member, step member, what does it tell you? Secondly, today we've got democracy, we've got principles whereby I can express how do I feel. I can refer my complaints of we can sit down. Because structured like PMC, which is a participative management committee, where every demands and requests also can be channeled to, so that they can sit down with management and discuss it. We've got channels of communication whereby we can interact with Aboma youth manager and the rest, and consular officers, our case office. It's not justified, whatever reason it may be. In the Guti Mangabana, no, for whatever reason. Then I decide that I'm going to pagam you number on Kwasumuntu. To me, that makes sense. From where I'm sitting, maybe something I don't know, but it doesn't make sense. Because you have a right to call upon and say that in Telebon head of prison, open request as a go what is your concern? If you am sure I channel it to a next person or level person. You have even the right today to write up to the minister if needs be. Kuna master structures of Naboma chicks, which are independent now from the contract services. Others on telepaces taking complaints to mention the Guti, there's nothing that can be put under the carpet. Now, all those structures have been created so that the environment of prison might be conducive. So that now, as a spiritual, according to Section 35, you can live and now take away with dignity. Because you're a human being, you have a right to life, you have a right to dignity. But when you behave in a certain manner that can portray you as an animal, it means that abantu bazakubheka bakutreat like an animal. Remember kokuqala ma uyajele ugwetyiwe got a stigma. Point number one, the society in a negative perspective of a negative perception about people in prison. That when I say jail, how can I put it? Ngabantu who doesn't deserve to be inside. Partly maybe deservedly so. They deserve to be thrown in jail, throw away the key. They deserve to be treated harshly, bangadli. When you listen to our radios most of the time, when people discuss about the e-boshwa, abantu bahlinzile bane negative mentality about abasejele. Now, by the method of you wearing an orange uniform, it means a stigma. And I always say, the sentence is nothing, because in the expiring date, is going to be paid. But what will be permanent is stigma. Because so tomorrow, abantu will always judge you as an offender. I'll make an example. About President Motsepe, they will say an entrepreneur, a businessman, a millionaire. About Bill Gates, they will say multi-millionaire person. But when people talk about Uketin McKinsey, they will say an ex-convict, 10 businessmen. When Bande Kulumangongo Ken Gunian, they will say an ex-convict, 10 politician. In other words, that title will always be your first name. I don't care no bungenzani. A band will only judge you based off your past. And you need to correct that. In terms of Uti, now I'm here. Why I'm here? First and foremost, what have prompted me to be in a situation in good? Simple question. It is because of the choices that I've made in life that have prompted me to be where I am today. You can never blame anybody except you. Guthi I've made this decision. Because akekho umuntu ovele wathi hambele starting kwafika ivele athi gibela wena. Masamjejele sakuvalela then uyagwetshwa. Ugwetshwa based off what you did. Yes, of course. Bakhona abantu ejele who are really been sentenced bangazange aqala. I know people are always speaking with you, I'm innocent, but he or she couldn't be able to convince the court, and the justice system failed him or her. Those are but the majority of people are people who have committed crime. We've been that because of our choices. Now, we are there to be corrected so that you can come back to society who have changed behavior. And when you continuing doing the same things as you say, we are now saying to the community, deserve to be treated harshly. Right. We are now saying to let us revisit the laws because the is now too much right. Right. Which to me is unfair. Because all the laws that are there, as long as a government ANC, but those laws were made by the Constitutional Court after vigorous interaction with all the stakeholders pertaining to justice cluster. So you need to prove people as much as you can. Abantu deserve to judge you, to come and wisdom. Because of what you did, abantu they will always look in that eye and go to lo so. Now it is for me as an Oscar to prove them wrong. Ukuthi lento nithi ngiyiyo mina angisiyo. But mawuzoqhubeka manje usenza izinto that prove these people wrong. What are you doing? We are facing that challenge in most of our prisons, especially when it comes to the Central Bank Management area. Gangsterism is so rife. As a result, amaphoyisa have lost control. The people running prisons are offenders, which is a sad part of it. I want to say when you police, the only thing that runs, the only thing that we have a control in amaphoyisa is Central Bank. It's only the keys. That's the only thing that we control is key. I can't give the key to Oscar, but everything else is being controlled by Igbo's. I'll make an example. Mofige, you're supposed to be taught and given immediate to a jail by the CMC, which is the CMC is a case management committee, whereby which is the do's and don'ts of that jail. And the procedure, how to follow protocols, how to write a request, community request, all this kind of stuff. All these laws are supposed to be taught to us and be orientated by the correctional officers. Guess what? The first person who's welcome is an offender. He's what? The person who's going to do everything pertaining to impact and everything is an offender. The person who's going to say, "Ayi baba lo mthatha umfaka kwasasele," it's an offender. The person who's going to go nayi ibhedi yakho uzolala kuyo pha, it's an offender. Maphuma ngaphandle abantu abalawula izinto ukuthi kudliwa kanjani kuthini, it's an offender. Now, umuntu ofika ejele who is a new one, who's a non-gangster, ongazi lutho, who's the first time in jail, kuthiwa kuye court uzofika abantu abancempathe bound is going to control your life. But xa mijonga bomba, hey, hayi mos, abantu balawula yapha are offenders. It gives that person a mentality laban power. And at the same time, few days in la jail or few months in la jail, masopaka yakwazi police. That thing on its own install an element of saying that I'm not safe, because the person who's supposed to protect me can't protect himself in God. That is what have caused that most of people today in our prisons joining gangsterism. Some of these people, when I talk with them, but hey, not choice. So rather for me being a victim, let me be part of them. So partly, in essence, some of people who are bands are officials, because when you have no control in your conscious center, it means that will say that let me join these people. You know, one day I was very concerned. I was in a committee so every day getting calling bola, come with program who's doing what, and bola. When the past is about saying to 36. Then in the courtyard situation, 28 will stand on the left hand side, 26 on the right hand side. Now, if I can put it in simple terms, like most different cells. And then after courtyard concentrations, I'm left, 20 I'm right. According to I'm attached to my. And that's whereby you can identify the and I was standing in the middle of the courtyard. In Kuli courtyard, it's a very huge place. Pretty police too. And as a non-gangster, I have to give them that respect. In the respect Oscar can 3 minutes, 30 seconds, then we can continue with programs. Like snarly understanding. One thing for sure, they respect me and I respect them. We may differ in terms of I may not acknowledge what they are doing, but I respect their choices. It's fine. So Mangme Yati Petit Bola, this thing came to me when I look at the yard. In my section of Picampo, let's say it's 490. I can confidently say this, what I'm about to say now. 490. And the Hongo is so little, everybody or number must be in the yard. So I've got 36. Now, I noticed something that out of 490 people in my section, I can bravely and confidently say that 410 of these people were gangsters. It's only 80 of us, round up 80 of us. If I can use the percentage, I can say 95% of the 97% of people in that section were gang members. Only 7% of us are not gang members. And I said to myself, CRP, if the entire center can have this amount of people who are gang members, it means that every person who figure out is being recruited and is joining. And I have to research why was such a long. And hence I've said that some of the reasons as Bangutaban join, but not all people who are joining terrorism by a phone. Not all people who are joining terrorism, they are being forced. Not all people joining terrorism, but they are being coerced or being threatened. But some of them, they join terrorism as a defense mechanism of some sort. They join terrorism as a way of saying that for me to be safe, to be protected, not to be abused, let me be part of them. So that's why I'm saying that Lendi need a very vigorous discussion and engagement. You know, one of the reasons that I always say, which is a mistake that government is doing, kukwenza the laws that governs the prisons without involving our part of that system. Yes, kulungile to go to professor so and so university and say that let's have a study. Let's kulungile go fact finding mission, go Norway, Denmark, Sweden, and come with a concept of penal system that can be used in South Africa. But when you exclude abantu who were you to be part of that system, I believe that the system of management can be corrected in Alunga on condition that abantu who are part of that can be engaged